All right, you're welcome. This is Mr. Wealth, Victor Ashley Yazubike. I'm doing this video because a lot of persons have asked me to do a video on how to withdraw their Amazon Kindle payments, and a lot of persons as well feel Amazon Kindle is not real because they feel the money people make is kind of big. So how can people be making such amount? And different questions. All right, so that is why I'm doing this video, to show you how you can withdraw your Amazon Kindle earnings. All right, this is my dashboard. This is my Payoneer dashboard. As you can see, December 29th, all these are payment I received. Okay, this was November and co. November. All right, if I click view all, you see all the payment I have received. All right, all the payment I have received from Payoneer. Sorry, all the payment I've received from Amazon to my Payoneer USA bank account. All right, it's loading. As you can see, all this, you can see completed. All these are payment. Load more. I don't have time for that, so let me quickly show you how we withdraw our money, okay, to our bank account wherever you are. So if you are in Nigeria, if you are in Ghana, if you are in South Africa, if you are in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Singapore, Morocco, whatever country you are watching this right now, okay, this is how it works. Okay, so when you are creating your Payoneer account, you will be required to fill in your country's bank account detail. All right, if you are in Ghana, you will be required to fill in your Ghanaian bank account details. If you are in Nigeria, the same thing. If you are in India, the same thing. All right, good. Once that is done and your Payoneer account is verified, you can now your global payment service will be visible. All right, that's your USA, Canada, UK bank account will be available for you. All right, so this is what I earn. I earn more than actually I'm still expecting payments. This is my Amazon Kindle dashboard. Okay, my payment dashboard. I'm still expecting some payments, but I just want to do this video so that you can just have a glimpse of how it works, how you can withdraw your money. So once you are here, just click on withdraw. Okay, just click on withdraw. My network is not too fast. All right, if your bank account has not already been added to your Payoneer account, you can just click add new. Okay, add new. But for me, my account details are here already, so I'll just select the one I want them to pay my money to. Okay, so amount to withdraw, I have $1,825, so $1,825. Okay, $1,825. Right, so they are charging $36 fee. All right, so I'll be getting $1,788.5. all right, so once you are done filling this, just click on review. All right, this is it. Okay, so this is what I will be getting from Payoneer. They are taking $36.5 a whole $36.5 as their own charge, their own fee. But no problems, no problems. So click withdraw. It's pretty easy. Alright, it's pretty easy. They have sent me a code to my phone to verify that I am the one. Alright, so I'll put the code here. The reason why they sent me this code is because I activated it. Alright, so let me do this now. I activated it. Alright, so if you didn't activate your two-factor security, they will not ask you for code. So the next is submit. And boom, that is done. So they will send me a mail. Okay, they will send me a mail to tell me that they've acknowledged my withdrawal requests. Alright, wow, as I was even doing that, they will send me a mail to acknowledge my withdrawal request, and within 24 hours or 48 hours the money will hit my Nigerian bank account. Okay, so this is how we withdraw our earnings. Okay, and in case I forgot, I needed to know that Amazon pays automatically. They pay automatically to the particular account number you provided in your Amazon Kindle dashboard. So they pay automatically. So I provided my USA bank account details given to me by Payoneer, and the money reflected here, and that is it. I have withdrawn it. Okay, I have withdrawn it. As you can see, minus $1,825. So that is it. Okay, so enjoy your day. I hope you are enjoying this season, this festive season. Have fun, be good, and don't forget, you need to be better in year 2021. And we are here to see how we can also help you to have a better and amazing 2021 by leveraging the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing business model. Peace. I remain Victor Ashley Azubike, Mr. Wealth.